Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C30. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we've got brightness level. We can change it manually or via automatic brightness. Next, we can enable or disable dark theme, eye comfort mode, colors and contrast, between cool, warm and standard. We can enable or disable video display enhancement, adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen preferences like notification on lock screen, between show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. Next, you can enable or disable skip lock screen, show lockdown option, double click on the lock screen, and lift to check phone. In the end, you can enable or disable wake screen for notifications and change and add text on lock screen. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.